Are you tired of wrestling with pet hair, dust, and debris? Foppapedretti introduces the 2024 new model Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful 4-in-1 cleaning solution designed to elevate your cleaning experience. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional vacuum cleaners. This cordless wonder is here to transform your home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful suction and brushless digital motor. This cordless stick vacuum is armed with a formidable 210-watt brushless motor, delivering an impressive 25 kPa powerful suction on max mode. It effortlessly tackles dirt, pet hair, cat litter, and more, making it an indispensable tool for pet owners and households with high cleaning standards. Detachable battery and long-lasting runtime. Equipped with a 200 mAh rechargeable battery, the Foppapedretti cordless vacuum offers an outstanding cleaning performance for up to 35 minutes. From standard cleaning to max mode for intensive tasks, it ensures thorough cleaning throughout your home without the hassle of frequent recharges. 3 charging methods and easy storage. The convenience doesn't stop with cleaning. This cordless vacuum comes with a wall mount, providing easy storage after use. With 3 charging methods, including removing the main body or handle for charging and wall mounting, it seamlessly integrates into your home, saving space and ensuring accessibility. 4-stage high-efficiency filtration system. The advanced 4-stage fully sealed cyclone filtration system, featuring a HEPA filter, mesh filter, stainless steel strainer, and cyclone separation, captures an impressive 99% of microscopic dust particles. Enjoy purified air as you clean, especially crucial for families with infants. Why choose Foppapedretti a 19150R cordless stick vacuum cleaner? 1. 2-speed suction power. Tailor your cleaning to different needs. 2. 25,000 PA powerful suction. Deep-seated dirt is no match for this cordless wonder. 3. 4 stages filtration system plus washable filter. Capture dust particles as small as 0.3 microns with easy maintenance. 4. Long-lasting using time. Enjoy up to 35 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. 5. Hard and soft brush roller. Versatile across different floor types, from hardwood to carpets. 6. Low noise and lightweight design. Operate quietly and effortlessly, weighing only 5 pounds. Meet all your cleaning needs and 247 customer service. This lightweight handheld vacuum adapts to your needs with its motorized brush, extension tube, and 2-in-1 brush nozzle. With multiple configurations, it effortlessly transforms to tackle various cleaning challenges. Plus, Foppapedretti provides 247 customer service, ensuring your peace of mind. In conclusion, the Foppapedretti cordless vacuum cleaner is more than a cleaning tool, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Embrace a new era of hassle-free, powerful cleaning with a device designed for modern homes. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.